You finished 3 of the 4 courses of this specialization on data and deployments. Welcome to this final course on advanced deployment scenarios. In this course, you're going to learn about several advanced topics. What are the advanced topics,
Lawrence? Oh, we've got so many to choose from, right? So we're going to start with TensorFlow serving. So you can learn how to serve your models over HTTP and HTTPS. Then we're going to be looking at TensorFlow Hub. So that's a repository for models that somebody can take models from and use the entire model, or maybe use transfer learning to take layers from that model. Then there's TensorBoard, and a new part of TensorBoard called TensorBoard.dev, where you can actually deploy the metadata about your model, and you'll get a URL back that you can then share so other people can look at your model, can inspect, and maybe help you debug your model. And then finally, we'll end up with the one that I'm really most excited about, and that's to talk about federated learning. So when you have your model deployed in the wild, how do you then effectively get federated learning from that? So,
cool. So start with TensorFlow serving, then TensorFlow Hub, TensorBoard, and federated learning. But first, in this week, we'll start with TensorFlow serving. I found that after you've trained a machine learning model or deep learning model, it's sometimes so many steps to take the model, package it up, post it on a cloud-hosted server, maintain the cloud-hosted server, and set up an API so that you or someone else can call your model to get predictions back. So anything that TensorFlow provides to make all those steps easier just makes life easier for developers.
Exactly, and that's the whole idea behind this. And then also model versioning. Right, as you retrain your model and you save it out in a new directory, you can serve from that one, and you can have multiple models and handle your model versioning like that. We try to make that as easy as possible for the developer.
So that you can deploy something to cloud-hosted server, and when you version it, push a new model and have that just work without too much messing around with saving models in different directories and copying and pasting in the right place and hoping for the best.
Exactly, or taking your server offline to update it, those kind of things. The goal is to really reduce the friction for developers so that they can have a serving infrastructure.
See, cool, great. So you've learned a lot about how to train deep learning models. With the TensorFlow serving infrastructure, you really easily push a model you've trained to cloud-hosted infrastructure and have it ready to accept HTTP requests so that you or someone else can make queries to your model and get predictions out. So to learn how to do this, let's go on to the next video.